Okie dokie, my little pokies. Now that we have studied so many facts on PebbleGo, it's time for us to get started in the journal. Our instructions here say please watch this teacher video to draw, color, and complete the sentence stem. Read it with me. What are we writing today? Memorial Day is important because blank. Your job today is to teach me, why is Memorial Day important? Who are we honoring? Why are we remembering them? Where did they go? Why are they important to us today? You have to teach me. Draw and color to show me details too. So let's get started and set up these journals together. You will fill in why this day is important later by yourself, but I'll help you get started. So find a new clean page for us today. And we always begin up top with today's date. A 4 for April, a 6 for today, and the year is still 2021. Do you hear this squeaky table? Sheesh kebabs. And now that we have our date, save this spot for your beautiful picture. And let's move to our lines to start our sentence together. It begins with a capital letter M in memorial. Repeat it and write it with me. Here we go. A-L says ol. Check that first word. Capital M, memorial. Memorial. Finger space. A capital letter D. Why? It's not the first word of the sentence. It's a name of a holiday. D-A-Y says day. So far we have Memorial Day. 2 capital letters. Finger space and let's keep going. Is. Finger space. Important is a long word. Do I have space here or am I going to the next line? Check your paper and decide, do you have space? Or don't cry, just go to the next one. I have space, so here I go. Ant. Important. Important. Finger space. Because. That sight word we use all the time. B. A-U says aw. Silent E on the end. Because blank. Let's read what we have so far. Ready? Memorial Day is important because I need to know what you think. Why is this day important? You can draw first, but you've got to write next. Say it out loud and sound it out. Write the sounds that you hear to do your best. I want to know what you learned today about Memorial Day. I have some pictures here to help remind you. Marchers here are carrying photos of fallen soldiers. Here's the grave sites they've decorated with flags. You could also use flowers. And here's a boy at a parade waving his flags, saying thank you and cheering on the bands and the soldiers. These are 3 ways to celebrate Memorial Day. But I want to know, why are we celebrating? What's important? It's not just important to wave your flag, but why are we celebrating this day? What did these people in these photos do? What happened to them? Why are they all buried here? Why do we go decorate? Why is this important? You teach me today. Think about it, draw about it, and then you will write to teach and explain to me. When you are done, I want to see your journal. Has the date up top, a beautiful picture with lots of color, especially those red, white, and blue colors. I should see a flag in your picture today. You've got a date, you've got a picture, you've got color, and a sentence teaching me Memorial Day is important because what? At the end of the fact, put your period to end your sentence. And then read it to yourself out loud. Make sure it sounds good. Make sure you included all of the important words you needed. Read it, check it, and if you're proud of your journal work today, it's photo time. Take a picture to turn into your teacher on Google Classroom. I'll see you tomorrow for some science. Later, alligators.